Hi guys, Kevin here. Now from time to time we all have messes that we need to clean up, and Amazon had a good deal on a vacuum and it had high ratings, so I went ahead and picked that up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the vacuum, see how well it performs, and see if it's worth the money. Okay, so here it is. Let's get our knife out and let's get this thing open. Okay. It's taped up pretty well. Let's see what we've got. All right, we've got, I don't know, I guess it's a warranty. Here's some screws. I'll find out what that's for. And so here's the actual vacuum. Pretty small. You can see my hand pretty much can take up the size of it. I have fairly large hands, not too big. Let's go ahead and see the filter. Okay, so this comes off, and here's the inside of the vacuum. Let's go ahead and see if there's any power. Okay, so it is. There's a charge, and here's the filter. Okay, I'll go ahead and put that back together. All right, that's easy enough. What else do we have? Okay, so this looks like a wall mount. So the screws would be used with the wall mount to hang the vacuum up. Okay, there's hooks here. Looks like this hooks into there and would get held up this way, as you can see, if you want to hang it on the wall. Okay, what else? We have the power adapter. Okay, and what is this? We have the attachment. The only attachment. So let's see. So this flips out. It's got a brush, flips back, and it extends. Okay, not bad. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this on. Okay, so that just twists on. And if you want to remove it, okay, so there's two buttons on the side. You just squeeze, and then it comes off. And it snaps and it turns on. Okay, so let's go and see how well it performs. So here we have the vacuum, and first thing I'm going to try, see if it can pick up these this cat food, these kibbles. Ooh, maybe a bit much there, but let's see how well it works. All right, moment of truth. Okay, not bad. That wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead and see about the sand. All right, here we go. All right, so as you can see, sand and cat kiblets are all in there. Now at the time of recording this video, you could find the Black+Decker Cordless Handheld Vacuum on Amazon for $49.99. Now I have a link down below in the description if you're looking for it. Now I'm going to show you how this bagless system works and the dirt that was collected. So let me just go ahead and disassemble the attachment here, and let's go ahead and detach the dirt bowl. Okay, and here's the vacuum. And the part that's sticking out there is what the filter goes over. And there's the filter, it just dropped out with all the dirt. Okay, let me go ahead and knock the dust off of that. There's a dust bowl. And the filter, you want to get the dust off so that it continues to suck up the dirt, because the vacuum actually sucks up the dirt through the filter. So if the filter's clogged, it's not going to pick up dirt very well. So we want to make sure we get as much of this off as possible. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm only tapping the dirt off and trying to wipe it off with my fingers and pull at it. But I just want to let you know that it's the filter, you can run it under water and really get it clean and just let it dry out in the air and then reuse it. I also have a link down below in the description for additional filters, so you can go ahead and take a look at that, and it just snaps in just like that. And let me go ahead and put the dirt bowl back on the vacuum, and here's the attachment. Well, let's just try it. Wait, there, just snaps in just like that, and it's back together. Good as new. Okay guys, so that's the quick review of the Black+Decker lithium ion handheld vac. It didn't struggle picking up the sand or the cat kiblets. It's reasonably priced, so I would recommend it. Something worth taking a look at. And for more videos like this, go ahead and click on the links now.